Hello everyone, today you have joined the CREATIVELK YouTube channel. How to insert page numbers in Word. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, open up the Word document you want to do this in. Page numbers are really useful as they make it easier to go and differentiate between the different pages in your document. Perhaps you want to go and talk about it with someone else? So to go and get started, you need to head to the top left of Word, and you can go and click on Insert like so. Now what you need to do is come over to the right into the header and footer, and you'll see the option for page number. Click there. You can go and choose where you want them to be, top of the page or bottom of the page, and then where at that point. For example, in this case, I'm in the bottom right, so I'll click there and then go to be added. So now you can see them. You can press the close header and footer, and you can go and customize them all by pressing Insert, coming over to the right and clicking on Page Number. And you can click on Format, and what you can then do is go and change the format from 1, 2, 3 to ABC or Roman numerals as well. It's that simple.